Oh shit. This is go time. This is a Soarer. Go time has never done a tutorial video before, so this will be the first. This is how to look like a sick in one day.
We've avoided them forever because we have no idea what we're doing, and we're about to do more dodgy shit than we usually do.
Yeah, but there's a lot of things I don't know about, and therefore we have no business in telling people how to do it. But I do know how to be a sick, so I will teach people how to do that.
And you do know how to chop springs.
Yeah.
I've seen the man do it.
This is a 3-step process. Step 1, bleed the brakes.
Oh, true. I forgot about safety first.
So it will drive.
When it stops.
Nice!
Yeah.
That's hell mad.
It's like a, 80s group?
What are we doing?
We can't tell anyone, it's a secret. We don't know what we're doing. I don't know what Dylan's about to do. It's got a real beat to it.
It sounds so smooth from in here.
It does.
Oh.
Uh-oh, what was that?
Just stop making power altogether for a moment.
That's cool. Whoa!
Wow, it doesn't like driving currently, but it is doing it. Step 2 of this 3-step process. Take out springs and also cut the springs and also put wheels on. And also take the mud flaps off.
Oh, true.
That's all one step.
It's a compound step.
Yeah. In video 1, we were talking about whether it had an LSD.
Yeah.
Back going forwards?
Yeah.
This is going back.
Oh, damn it. Aww.
Ah, I know. So
We got so excited.
Alright, step 1 of step 2 is move, and I'm going to take these mud flaps off.
Oh, I reckon that was step 2.
No, step 1.
It's like step 1 would just be boot them off.
Yeah, they look fugly as. How could you forget?
I don't know. There's a lot to look at.
There's a lot of fun. Sora. Step 2 of 2. Step 2.2. Spaces. Get the fitment. Woo! Dude, I love the look of extended studs for some reason.
I think they're pretty sick, especially on a car like this.
Wait, you gotta look at me put this on.
Huh?
You gotta look at me test fit it and be like, wow. Yeah.
Wow, Dylan, I'm so proud of you. That's actually gonna look sick.
Dude, I think it actually might look mad.
think
Might be
that's
too
gonna
much
look really
tire for it
I
though.
was trying to be sarcastic, but nah, because it's gonna tip in a bit.
Tip? But first, well, don't put the nuts on, because first I have to do step 3,
Which is
3.1, which is take the springs out.
3.1.7. This is like a f***ing iOS update.
Yeah. Come on. You bastard. Get out of it.
Hey!
Woo! Mechanic.
Oh my god. 3.1.3?
3.1.3 is probably putting the nut back on the shock.
Dude, the studs do look cool.
Yeah.
Wheels don't look too bad either. That's not prepared.
Those are 2 different things, bro.
Oh shit.
You said the studs look good and the wheels don't look too bad either. So in order to have referred to yourself as the stud, you could have gone with wheel
And
bolts or basically anything other than wheels.
Well,
Better luck next time though.
Okay.
It is possible that this won't drive properly after this because everything sits really low, like below the sills in these cars. It's actually a lot like a Silvia.
Yeah.
But there's no like aero options and they look shit with aero on them. So what you got to do is raise everything. So you raise the diff. There's these guys in Canada who make a diff riser, and then you can raise the subframes in the front. I think taking out the springs actually gets it to like probably the right ride height. It's just like then you've got to work to make it work at that height.
And also, this like suspension geometry is just going to be insane.
Yeah. This is when you watch 2 Corolla guys see rear camber for the first time.
I just can't wait to see how far it goes.
It's still got the whole bump stop in there.
It's going to be perfect. It's going to be perfect.
Oh no!
Oh!
Fucking Jack! I always do this. No.
What if it's gonna go lower?
Huh?
What if it's gonna go even lower?
Oh yeah, well, sure.
It might actually rub then. Unless there's enough camber.
That's hilarious. It's sitting on the guard. Gotta bash it someday.
Gotta do something.
Alright, step 4.1 of this 3-step process. Bash the guards. So much stud.
Now it's your turn.
And I'm not talking about the car.
This is bad.
Shut up. Still made more sense than yours.
Damn it.
Alright, I'm gonna take this trim off.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Got like full, like shadow band sort of vibe. Don't forget, step 4.1.1, get the dirt out of here. Because if you don't, it will be in there forever. It's like, that's no joke.
I thought you were about to say something really sarcastic.
No.
Like if you do, you can't bash it as much because the dirt's in the way.
No, well, also that. And also then you'll have little bumps on there, yeah. So I'm thinking about color options for this car. First off, I was like, I want it to be black, because I've never had a black car, and black cars are mad. And where's a black one?
This car's kind of stealthy.
That looks cool. Could be slick.
That does look cool.
Black with a burgundy interior. But I run a photography page, and I want it to pop in a photo, and photographing a black car, pretty difficult. So I'm kind of off that, and then I thought maybe silver?
No. That pops less than anything.
Yeah, but my favorite one of these that I've seen is this in the forbidden color, Nardo Grey.
That does go really hard.
It goes really hard, unfortunately, for the worst color ever. Then so I was going along those lines. What if I went for a 40 series olive drab? It could be like similar to the Nardo Grey, but like not Nardo Grey. So I went from 40 series olive drab to this, like a more modern green, maybe.
I think I prefer olive over that.
Yeah.
Green.
And then I thought, what about continue the lineage? First, we had Ibina. And then we had Casey.
And then Dylan.
Then me.
I mean,
The next most famous guy.
the next. I mean, it could look pretty fresh on something like this. But can you get a big bumper for it?
Well, it's already got bumperage. And I was thinking custom front lip for it.
It needs like a bit of.
Yeah, it needs more low down in the front, for sure.
But I feel like
it could be done.
I feel.
Because like, I don't know, I'm gonna do this like, not like people usually do Soarers.
Yeah.
Because these are all just like, because they're only really in Japan. And everybody just does them as like Zakusha, sort of
Yeah.
just classic Kyusha, old school.
So just do something different.
Yeah, but I want this to be like a drifty vibe.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, I want this car to be like my own Silvia. It's my Toyota Silvia. So, how do I do that?
Copy of Sylvia.
Copy of Silvia, the most famous Silvia ever made. And also, like, I mourn the loss of that car.
Yeah.
And I'm sure Casey does too.
That was a huge part of growing up and thinking that cars were cool.
Yeah.
Like,
It was such a huge moment when he took that over to Japan. 15 on it. Well, I did it. We did it. And it's interesting. The back looks really cool. The front looks lame.
Less cool.
But that's okay. I could still cut more out of that front spring.
Just make it single.
Yeah, it's probably on the bump stop by now though. That's how you make your car sick. I mean, that's how you be a sick in the modern world. But what I'm gonna do in the front here is I'm gonna convert it to S13 coilover with the Rude Boy Specials conversion stuff. So this will change, more camber in the front, more lows. And then still yet to decide what to do in the back. But for now, it looks way tougher than it used to.
It looks so good.
Alright, it's the next day. I ran out of battery last night, but so Matt's not here because this is where I work and he doesn't work here. But step 5 is make the interior better. I'm gonna put these things back in. This is all jank in here. Well, shit. It drives, it brakes, it scrapes on everything. I've learned overnight. So we finished filming this video last night, essentially, but camera ran out of battery. And then I was sort of talking to my mates who have these, or have Cressidas really, because this is essentially identical to a Cressida. And they were like, yeah, you have to work really hard to be able to run these low. Like, seriously, seriously hard. And I see that. The cat is like this far off the ground, but that is how you do it. That's how you become a sick in just 3 easy steps. We did suspension, wheels, steering wheel, and then we did some extras. We bolted some things together. I put all this interior stuff back in, which feels amazing. I cleaned it slightly in here, but I don't have a vacuum cleaner at the moment. But everything's feeling slightly more solid. I zip tied the glove box closed because there's no catch for that. I took a whole bunch of stuff out of here, and the car feels like it's making power and going okay, and it looks kind of cool. The TRVs are a mates, and they're not the ideal spec. They're only 7+2, but they got a 1-inch spacer on them. But it's good to sort of be able to figure stuff out, and I'm sort of thinking I want this to be sporty. Like, I want it to be a proper drift car, so it might have to have 15s on it, which I know is sacrilege. But, you know, sometimes that's how it goes. But like, listen to this thing. It's, you know, functioning as a car. Auto vibes, feels good. It like goes, ugh, like every time it shifts, it just goes, ugh, and bumps you back into the seat, and sometimes does a little chirp. But shit, look at this thing go. It's a car, running, driving car. Oh my god, I love that feeling when you're just scraping and bouncing. Driving a low car is fun, man. But yeah, it works. What a cool car. I'm gonna go get some photos of it.